Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by ensuring you can create or copy a link. Permissions matter because Discord hides invite controls without them. First, open the server or message you want to share. If it's a channel or server invite, click Invite People or the share icon and press Copy Invite. If it's a single message, right-click the message and choose Copy Message Link. Once done, the link is on your clipboard and ready to paste where you want it. Don't close Discord yet. Now pick the destination: a direct message, a server channel, or an external app like email. You paste using Ctrl+V or CMD+V. If you need to format, add a short note explaining what the link leads to and whether recipients need an account or role. For server invites, set expiration or uses beforehand if you want limits. For message links, point out the timestamp or author. Make sure to preview the pasted link and message so it looks clear and invites the right action. Send the link and verify someone can open it. Ask a recipient to click and confirm access. If they can't join, don't panic. Check if the invite expired, is limited to certain uses, or if the user is banned or lacks required verification. Make sure server settings permit new members and that community screening isn't blocking them. If needed, regenerate the invite from invite settings or create a new one with broader usage and no expiration. Then resend immediately so everyone can join.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.